Let's make Batata Vada or Aloo Bonda as it's called in the north region of India. This is a popular tea time snack. My family loves it with tea. We'll boil 500 grams potato, peel them when it is cool and chop. I like the small pieces. Cut them as shown. Use a blunt knife, a small one, to cut it into small pieces. Cut all the potatoes in a similar way. Now pound ginger, 1 tablespoon, garlic, green chilies. Pound them lightly. We don't want them to become a paste. Just crush it. Once it is crushed, you can see. Keep it aside. Heat kadai, add oil 4 teaspoon. We will give a tadka of mustard seeds, half teaspoon, cumin, half teaspoon, and the pounded paste. Fry for a minute. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander, chopped potato, salt to taste. Stir. Mix well and let it cool. We will make the besan batter. For this potato mixture, we need 1.5 cup besan, cumin, coriander powder and salt to taste, baking soda 1/8 teaspoon and water. Water is less than half a cup. You add as per your requirement. It should not be too runny nor too thick. It is easier to mix with hand. The thick batter, you can see, just dip a finger, you will know how much it will coat. Now heat oil to fry the vada. Make medium size balls of potato mix. Add 2 teaspoon hot oil to the batter. This will make it crisp. Now test the oil. You will see it has bloomed and come up. Now dip the vada in batter and fry. Keep the gas on low flame when you are putting vadas in the oil. Turn them over. Fry on all sides. Remove this and fry 4 more. These are half cooked. Then add back all 8. As per the quantity of oil we have to put in the vadas. If your kadai is small, you may add 6. The longer it takes to fry, it will become crispier. Fry till golden. Keep turning once in a while. Remove when golden and crisp. Now the oil quantity has reduced and we have only few vadas, so we will make them flat. Will not keep them round. Otherwise we will have to add more oil. This flat batata vada can be eaten with Vada Pav. Now the batata vada is ready. You can have it with chutney or tomato sauce. If you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel.